Hi guys, I'm Keenan Crooner Finn Austin there, and I'm gonna let Google Translate talk about. I'm gonna let Google Translate say, "Hi guys, I'm." Google Translate can say, "Hi guys, I'm Keenan Crooner Finn Austin there," and Google Translate. I can type on Google Translate that about my salute videos. Okay. So I can do salute videos on Google Translate. Like Google Translate can say the salute videos. So I'm gonna let Google Translate say Google Translate can say, "Hi guys, I'm Keenan Crooner Finn Austin there." Okay. So I'm just letting you guys know. So goodbye and have a great day.